They're jacking it back up so they can cinch it up tighter. Somehow it's about 2 inches bigger in the house than it is the foundation.
Somebody jack up the inside jack a little bit. Yeah.
The one over here. More. Keep going.
You know one really cool feature with this thing? Steven?
Yeah.
Comes with a smart thermostat.
Yeah. That's good, bro. Yeah, I know. It's too tight. Take it out of there. Michael, you ready?
To go left and right?
To go back.
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, go. Come along. Go watch that front wall. Set those doors in there, Ben.
Now this isn't up high enough here. The 2x4 is hanging down over the beam. So this corner needs to come up if you're going back that way.
Hey! The back is still hanging up, huh?
Yeah, it's hanging over the beam.
Hey! Ben, go out there, bro. And check that fucking outside beam, bro. If they need to bring it up, they need to bring it up more.
At least a quarter to a half.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Tell them to jack it up.
Hey, jack up this outside corner.
Hold up a second, please.
Jack up the outside corner.
Yeah, he's doing it right now. Keep going, man.
Looks like it's hung up on it a little bit. Yeah, it's coming now.
You want him to keep going?
More.
What was it doing? Hanging over the foundation?
It was hanging
Yeah,
right
and then
over
when
the, yeah.
you were pulling it tight, it was not letting it go, you know? Now you're good. You should be able to ratchet
Louis,
your
try to
coming.
come along and over a little bit.
I can try, but it's not tight.
Yeah, but we jacked it up, bro. There you go. Now we're pulling up on it.
That good?
More.
No, don't keep going. You have to move that wedge, man. What wedge? The wedge in the pan. I can't get over there. Pull the wedge out the pan. It's out.
You're pulling the brake out, huh?
Mm-hmm. If it'll tighten up, keep going.
Tighten it up.
You got a hammer right there, Steve?
Yeah.
So I can knock this fucking sheet of wood back tight. Oh, maybe it ain't going back tight. You're probably a good half inch up on it now. That's what was holding it from locking together, huh?
Yeah. Michael, are you gonna go back now?
No, I need that chain.
Well, you don't have a chain under there?
No.
Right here.
Well, why are you even trying it without a chain?
Well, the way we did, it rigged out. Here we have our bit.
You gotta have a
Hey.
chain.
Hey, right here.
I explained it to him the other day. You gotta have a chain so you get your longitudinal long way. they forget what I tell them from day to day.
He's only got a little more than a quarter of an inch to go over here.
Yeah, they'll get that together with the bolt.
You probably don't want this underneath that. There. Clear now. Details. And then they're gonna put fascia on the outside of this, or
Yeah, we are. Yeah, we wrapped it all with fascia. Siding.
siding. Yeah. Well, I call it fascia. I know that fascia is usually up there, right?
Yeah.
But I call anything that's on the outside for looks fascia. Now, do these plywood things have to match up there in the?
No.
Okay, because looks like the eaves are just about matching. But you got
Ben,
3 inches or
look
2.
at that fucking eve up there, bro.
Huh?
We're not gonna go out that far.
In the back is saying an inch.
Well, that's more than an inch out right there.
The front.
You know, we don't. We're gonna come back right here.
I'm
Go!
gonna watch on the side.
Go. Yeah, it is. Is it? Yeah.
About what, 2.5, 2 3/4 inches, I think.
Hey, put a jack. Put a jack and jack it back a little bit.
What?
We need a jack to help you guys.
Yeah.
An angle jack. Put an angle jack. Cause the house is so fucking tight from the come along, it's making it hard. So jack it back a little bit.